Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I will help you in joining your Zoom class meeting. How to join a Zoom class. So first you will open the Zoom app in your mobile or in your laptop. Then you will click on the join meeting option. Then you provide the user ID, that is the meeting ID that has been given to you. So I am entering the meeting ID that I have got. Then here you type your name that you want to give. So always enter your name. Okay. Now here are some options. If you want this name to be remembered in your computer, you check on this option. I don't want, so I'm unchecking it. If you don't want to connect the audio, you click on this. If you want to turn off your video, click on this. Or if you want, then you can enable it. Okay. Then click on join. Then you have to provide the password that has been given to you, that you have got. Okay. So I'm entering the password that I have got. Okay, then click on join meeting and then you will be directed to the meeting page where you will wait for the host to accept you. As soon as the host accepts you, you will be able to join the class. So now you have joined the class. So here it is asking me that you want to join with audio. If you want, you click on it. If you don't want, don't uncheck it. Okay. So now you have joined the class that you want. Okay. And concentrate on the class and enjoy the class. Okay. Now here are some options. If you want to send some chat, if you want to send some message, you can click on the chat and you can type the message. If you want to start a video, then you can click on this video option, then your video will turn on. If you want to disconnect your audio, you can click on this one. Okay, so hope I have helped you. If you have any query, then you leave the doubt in your comment. Okay, now to leave the meeting, we will click on the leave button here. It is present at the bottom right corner. So click on leave and then leave meeting. Okay, so this is how you can join a class and you can come out of the class. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.